Hi everybody, welcome to my studio. My name is Dawn Burchett and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and home of the Creative Chalet Stampers team. Woohoo! Hey, I just wanted to let you guys know of a couple of things that are ending tonight at 11:50 p.m. Today is June the 30th, which is Friday. Happy Friday, happy early 4th of July to all of you. So with that being said, first of all, our DSP Designer Series paper sale ends tonight at 11:50 p.m. And that is on select paper packs in our annual catalog. So they are 15% off. And like I said, that sale ends tonight. It's hard to believe already that the whole month of June is almost like gone. Also, I want to remind you of this cute little starter kit sale. So what is this all about anyway? So basically what you do is you buy the ultimate bundle. I'm asked all the time, Dawn, what is the best bargain? What's the best deal? What's the best sale? How do I save some money? I love it, but I want to save some money. So I say, savvy shoppers, come on over and purchase that ultimate bundle, the Starter Kit Plus. Right now, Stampin' Up! Is offering a really, really great savings on this kit. So it is a starter kit and it is $99 and you get to choose $155 a product. You'll also receive free shipping, which is about a $17 savings. That's for Michigan state tax. And $56 extra of product. And then also you'll receive a free paper pumpkin kit, Stampin' Up's choice, into your kit. So if you have not tried paper pumpkin, you get an opportunity to try that too, which I think is pretty cool. So with those items, adding that all up, that's about a $97 or so-ish savings. So you're spending just as much as you're saving. So, wow, right? So, like I said, tonight is the last night to go ahead and grab that up till 11:50 p.m. on June the 30th. And you'll then become a part of our amazing team, the Chalet Stampers. We're a great group who just love to craft. And first and foremost, this is a hobby for all of us. It's a hobby for me. I love it. I'm addicted. And along with that, there's a couple great things coming up and the reason why you want to be a part of this. First of all, we're part of an amazing group of women that are all over the USA. So come on and join us. Secondly, we love the product, right? So we all love the discount. So try it out. Try out the discount. Also, coming up really soon is pre-order. One of the things I love, along with all the friendships that I've made through being a demonstrator the past almost 13 years, is getting the discount on the product. So you'll receive, starting out at a 20% discount, and you can work your way up to a 25% discount on all the things, all of it. The other thing that I love is that you get to go ahead and get the product a month in advance before customers can. That's another great perk of being a demo. And along with all the other good things, right? We love being a part of what we do. And I love all the stuff. So I just knew 13 years ago, this was the perfect opportunity for me to get a discount on all my things. And here I am 13 years later. So anyway, if you have any questions, I'm going to post some links and you can go ahead and check them out. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to me. I'm going to be home all day. So anyway, check it out, see what you think. And you can always add that paper, the sale, into your kit and get even more mileage for your dollars. So that's even better yet. Oh, and did I mention that we have online exclusives that are coming out on July the 6th? Well, we get to order those early as demonstrators. So you can put that stuff into your starter kit as far as the bundle, the new DSP, what else is there? There's an embellishment, and there's even more stuff coming out on July the 6th. And you'll be able to receive your discount instantly on all the things. So anyway, have a great day. Happy Friday. Happy holiday weekend. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me. Thanks again for joining me here in my studio. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.